Alright, so today I'm gonna be putting on Skylar actually, hold on, let's see. Skylar actually gave me this body kit. Skirts, rear diffuser. I painted them black, but they look like dog shit. So we're gonna put these on the car, but first I'm gonna wash the car. Cause this whole looking musty. Yep. Captain Forehead?
At your service. I hate you.
I took these side skirts, the original ones, off before to test fit them, but I'm going to start putting them on now. Alright, so I'm back in the Celica. I finished putting on the body kit about 2 days ago or so, and I wasn't gonna fully put it on, but I needed to test fit it because I'm taking the car now to go get the muffler and exhaust system welded on.
I hate you. Wait.
What's that?
Are you recording?
Yes. What is it?
Wait, where is it?
Bitch, I got your information. Don't put
No,
that
it
out
doesn't.
there.
Yay!
I can't even see that. License? Nice. Nice. I know you still can't drive, but... I feel like it doesn't sound as good. Let's do a pull. I feel like the car is slower too. Like I have to go all the way into the end of the rev range. Alright, so it's been about a week and a half since I put on this body kit that I bought. And I had bought a wing and it was supposed to go on, but I even stupid ass broke it. So for now we're gonna JB weld it. Well, I mean we already did. I'm gonna put it on and probably order a new one, and then we got a few other small things that I'm gonna finish up. Get the shifter bezel in, maybe get my headlights in. I got a new billet oil aluminum cap, oil cap, and get a few things done. Alright, so next thing I'm gonna get done is shifter bezel. Boom. That's done. Alright, so now I'm just gonna change this oil cap. This is the original one. I got this TRD billet aluminum cap. Alright, so I took off the front bumper right now. I'm about to wash it over there. I've been sanding it because we're just gonna paint match it black to the rest of the other side pieces. Hey, you're getting a new one anyway, carbon fiber one. But this,
Don't worry.
this,
I will paint your car.
go look at it from the front.
Actually, I do want to respray the car.
Here, yeah. I think that's pretty even.
You gotta see the side profile.
It's a bit wide.
But you gotta think it's gonna sit flatter down, so it's gonna hug the sides more.
Yeah.
But look at it from the front.
So right now Tyler is painting the lip because I'm a fuck up and I couldn't do it. We got Sky putting in the headlights in the Celica. And then we're getting prepped to put the lip on the bumper. Huh? Turn the top up.
No, we're good, we're good.
Okay, we don't want to see that anyway. And it's out.
What are you doing?
Chop shop.
Don't mind me.
Alright, so I'm gonna have to touch it down at some point, so you're gonna have to tell me when. You go? Yeah. Okay. Boom.
I think it's solid.
Yeah.
What was it on the other side?
Let me give it a good 50-foot car. Maybe 100.
Your car's not running. Shut up.
Your car can't be. Your car isn't running either, so really shut up.
Yeah,
Because
but-
of you.
Light's still on. Gotta come over this way.
Yo.
No, it makes a big difference.
Wow.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Yo, now you really need the fog lights. Say you're a bitch.
Turnkey, blah blah blah. Oh, blah, 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 blah. Oh wait, you don't know about that.
I used to.
What are we even? Yeah, I thought that before. Yeah, and press that. Yeah.
That's how much.
this thing is.
Yeah, it looks good. Really good.
It is.